You won't believe these 20 amazing Christmas food beauty hacks. Join me as I try out 20 unbelievable Christmas food beauty hacks that could totally transform your glow this holiday season. And before we dive in, here's a surprising fact. Every Christmas, millions of pounds of fruits, veggies, and natural ingredients end up in the trash, even though many of them are powerful skin and hair boosters. So, the question is, how many of these hacks do you think could cut waste and boost your glow at the same time? 5, 10, or maybe all 20. Christmas is around the corner, and while many people are stressing about meals and decorations, so many of us are stressing about something else too. Our appearance. Holiday pictures, family gatherings, events, parties, everyone wants to look their absolute best. But good skin and hair take time, consistency, and products that sometimes cost way too much. And let's not forget, December is a month of stress eating, late nights, colder air, and sugar overload, all of which can dull your skin so fast. Most people don't know that some of the ingredients already sitting in their kitchen can instantly brighten, smooth, hydrate, or soothe the skin without buying anything new. And that's where the Christmas magic begins. Because when the stress levels are high, the weather is dry, and your glow is disappearing faster than wrapping paper on Christmas morning, you need hacks that actually work. You need simple solutions that save time, reduce waste, and transform everyday Christmas foods into powerful beauty boosters. And that's exactly what we're exploring today. 20 hacks that take the most ordinary holiday ingredients and turn them into glow-boosting treatments that feel luxurious, festive, and honestly unbelievable. So let's get into it because the first hack is already a game changer. Hack number 1. Cranberry juice as a natural exfoliating toner. Dab a little onto a cotton pad and swipe it across your face to instantly brighten dull skin. The natural acids help remove dead skin cells, leaving you soft and glowing. Hack number 2. Mashed pumpkin as a hydrating face mask. All that vitamin A and zinc make your skin look smoother and refreshed in minutes. Hack number 3. Warm honey drizzled on the lips as a healing lip mask. Honey seals in moisture, especially when the winter air is sucking the life out of your lips. Hack number 4. Use leftover mashed avocado as an under-eye depuffer. The healthy fats calm the area and give a refreshed, well-rested look. Hack number 5. Apply a paste of cinnamon and honey to troubled spots for a quick holiday breakout fix. It's soothing, antibacterial, and perfect for pre-party emergencies. Hack number 6. Rub the inside of a banana peel on your face for instant nourishment. Your skin will drink it up. Hack number 7. Use cooled green tea bags, straight from your kitchen counter, to tighten and depuff your eyes before photos. Hack number 8. Mix a little ground coffee with coconut oil for the best DIY body scrub. Smooth legs, glowing arms, and polished skin for your holiday outfits. Hack number 9. Yogurt mixed with lemon juice becomes a gentle brightening mask. It clarifies and smooths the skin without harsh products. Hack number 10. Use leftover ginger tea as a hair rinse. It boosts shine and stimulates the scalp, which is especially helpful when holiday stress tries to sabotage your hair. Hack number 11. Warm olive oil makes the perfect cuticle and nail treatment, keeping your hands soft even in the winter cold. Hack number 12. Use leftover milk or cream as a softening hand soak. The lactic acid smooths rough skin effortlessly. Hack number 13. Strawberries mashed with sugar make a holiday lip scrub that tastes delicious and leaves your lips plump and kissably soft. Hack 14. Leftover rice water can be used as a hair strengthening rinse. This one is ancient, effective, and perfect for reviving dull hair for parties. Hack 15. Hot cocoa powder mixed with honey becomes a luxurious antioxidant mask that makes your skin feel pampered and festive. Hack 16. Apple cider vinegar diluted with water works as a clarifying hair rinse to remove product buildup and revive shine. Hack 17. Leftover orange peels can be dried and blended into a powder for a brightening face treatment full of vitamin C. Hack 18. Warm coconut milk acts as the ultimate winter moisturizer for both skin and hair. Rich, softening, and deeply nourishing. Hack 19. Crushed peppermint mixed with sugar and oil creates the perfect Christmas foot scrub that leaves your feet soft, smooth, and party shoe ready. And hack number 20. The one that always shocks people is using leftover sweet potatoes as a soothing, glow-boosting face mask. The beta-carotene and antioxidants give your skin a warm, natural radiance that looks like you've slept 8 hours even if you barely slept 3. This hack is so simple, yet so unbelievably effective that it feels like cheating your way into a Christmas glow. And there you have it. 20 amazing Christmas food beauty hacks that can transform your skin and hair-using ingredients you probably already have at home. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, breakouts, or tired-looking skin, these festive hacks bring your glow back without spending anything extra, and they help reduce food waste at the same time. Thank you so much for watching this Christmas Beauty Series episode. Comment below and tell me which hack surprised you the most and which one you're trying tonight. Don't forget to share this video with someone who wants a holiday glow up without buying expensive products. And if you want more Christmas beauty tips, satisfying hacks, and glow-boosting secrets, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.